welcome back to my channel Bubbles B. And in this video I will be creating this look, and this is the Karwa Chauth special look that you can carry to your Karwa Chauth. Okay, so before heading towards our main video, I want to tell you this, that I am creating a series #GetReadyWithBubbles, and in this series I will be showing you all the festival makeup looks that you can carry to this festive season. Okay, so let's get started with our video. Okay, so let's start with our makeup look. Okay, so I have parted my hair in midway section, and now I will place this hairband so that मेरे जो बाल हैं वो थोड़े से फोन में आ जाएं, क्योंकि मैं मिडवे सेक्शन का एक बन बनाऊंगी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आवर आई मेकअप फर्स्ट. ओके, आई मेकअप को मैं थोड़ा सा लाइट रखूंगी. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे by applying concealer. ओके, तो अच्छे से कंसीलर हम लगा करके इसको सेटिंग पाउडर से सेट कर लेंगे. हमारा जो मेकअप है आई का वो फैलेगा नहीं और अच्छा लगेगा. ओके, सो सिंस माय आउटफिट इज रेड एंड ग्रीन, सो आई विल बी चूजिंग अ रेड शेड to give depth to my eyes. Okay, now we will do the same makeup on this eye also. Now we'll apply these lashes. Okay, so I am done with my lashes. The last step is the mascara. Okay. Okay, so now we are done with the eye makeup. I hope you liked it. Okay, so now let's just wipe off all the excess makeup that has fallen to our face. So that now we can start with our base. Okay, so for our base, my face is already primed. I will start with the foundation. It's okay. Blending brush and we'll blend it. Okay, so this foundation is a full coverage foundation and I love it so much. Yes, now we'll be concluding my blended very nicely. Okay, now this is the main part of your blend. You have to blend it seamlessly and smoothly, and just take your time to blend it. Don't just hurry up in this step. Okay, so now we set our makeup with the setting powder. I'm just taking a powdered contour. I'm gonna contour my nose more nicely, because I like it more contoured. You can skip this step if you don't want to contour your nose that much, but I love it, so I will do it. Now we'll blend it like this. Yes, it's looking nice. You can even go with the powdered one again to your cheeks like this. Not too much, because you have already contoured your face in the base. Just a little bit. That's it. And now just blend it. Okay, blend it seamlessly. So now it's my favorite part. Let's apply some blush, so that we could blush on our Karwa Chauth like this. Okay, now the last part is highlighter. Just dab it like this. Isn't my base look nice? है ना? Okay. So now the final step is our lipstick. Just apply a red hot lipstick for it. So the final step, add a very beautiful red, or I can even go with the green one. Let me just find it out. I am having two green bindis. First one is this, the big one, okay, and the second one is this. The small one. Okay, so what do you think, which is suiting me more? I think I will go with the small one. You can even apply the red bindi. Let me just show it. How will it turn out? Look, this one is looking more nice. Okay, so let's just go with this. So I am done with my makeup. And in the last, you can apply a sindoor. I haven't found my sayaji yet, so I am not applying it. Let me just show you my final look with my jewelry and my hair done. Okay, so just wait for that, only for 2 seconds. Okay, so here goes my final look. Okay, so in the last, you can add a neck piece to your neck like this, a choker one. It is also looking very nice. And also a long one like this. Whichever you feel like will gonna suit your outfit and your body type, you can choose, you can go with that. If you don't wanna go with the lower one, you can even go your hair open. It's also looking very nice. Just to add something to it, apply a mang tika. I think this look is also looking very nice, है ना? So this was my final look. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please share your views in the comment section regarding my makeup look. And do subscribe my channel. Share this video to all the newlyweds and every ladies that is going to celebrate their Karwa Chauth and can try this makeup look on their Karwa Chauth and make them special. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.